What's going on, guys? Back here with another video today. This is the one that everyone's been waiting for, I'm sure. We're back in the truck, as you can see, and so far it is running great. Super happy with everything. I figured I'd make this video and kind of take this one to go over everything that's been done to it and where it stands now. Just like a refresher kind of deal. That way we can move forward with the build and get to all this content I got for you guys. Got a lot of stuff coming in store. But as you can see, so far it's running great. No issues. Knock on some wood somewhere. I hope that maintains, you know, the no issue deal. But so far so good, guys. Been cruising it every day to and from work. Putting in braking miles on it. Getting it all broke in before I do any horsing around. I definitely don't want to play around this time. Don't want to risk anything, so putting some miles on it, running some braking oil through it, and then we'll go ahead and I think I'm going to try to put 1,500 miles on it before I do any horsing around. And then once we got 1,500 miles on it, we'll go ahead and change the oil, take it to my tuner, have them dialed it in 100%, make sure everything's nice and safe. Definitely don't want any more issues. Those of you that don't know, this is our second built motor. This one is a JDM Engineering Longblock. We had it bored 20 over, oversized pistons, a bunch of new hard parts, all new bearings, all that stuff. But it's back in the truck, running good, super stoked about it. And yeah, we're gonna cruise up to our spot that we normally do our videos in. We'll do a little walk around. I'll go over the build, all the mods we have done to it as of right now. That way we can move forward with the videos to come. So we're gonna go ahead and cruise on over to our spot, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, here's the truck. I'm going to try to go over all the mods as it stands now. That way we can move forward with all our future content and you guys will be in the loop and know what's going on. But, so as we stand now, we have the JDM Engineering fully built long block. Of course, that's forged bottom end, whole 9 yards done to that. Built and ported heads, stage 2 cams. On top of that sits the JC Customs mid-plate spacer. And what that does is that spaces the intercooler off the floor of the turkey pan, allowing more flow. And more flow means more cooling, so you're getting more air through that intercooler. So that's definitely a helpful mod. Also, if you haven't already, go check out JC Customs. Super cool dude, high quality billet CNC parts, awesome guy, super supportive of the Lightning community. I'll leave a link in the description to his website. Go check him out, buy some stuff, super good guy. Anyways, on top of that sits the Jokerz Performance ported Eaton. Jokerz is also the man for your porting needs. If you have a blower and you need it ported, go check out Jokerz. Also, I'll put a link in the description to that. 2.7 upper pulley on my blower with a 10-pound lower. I got a Metco auxiliary idler 100mm with another Metco idler also 100mm. This prevents a lot of belt slip. Highly recommended if you don't run one of those already. increases the belt wrap quite a bit, and that helps out a lot. Ported CNL plenum, ported CNL elbow with the JLP forced induction intake. I routed my scoop to my fog light. Tacky, maybe, but I really like it. Super functional. Tube goes right to the bottom of the intake, feeds it nice fresh air. Believe that does it for air in. So air out, we got, I don't know if you can see it down there, probably not, but American Racing headers, 1 7/8 long tube headers, full American Racing 3-inch exhaust. Super nice setup, super loud. Love American Racing headers. A little pricey, very high quality parts. So that's what we went with for exhaust. For fueling, we have 60-pound injectors, Siemens Deca, with dual 255 Walbro pumps. Cooling, we got, for the engine cooling, I had to buy an all aluminum Mishimoto radiator. Really high quality part if you're having any engine cooling problems. Highly recommend that radiator. Awesome quality piece. Really helped out with my cooling issues a lot. So highly recommend that. I did a 170-degree thermostat to go with that as well. Never see over 180. Hot Florida traffic, no problem. So that's for engine cooling. For our IATs, we got an LFP mega tank for the coolant reservoir and an AFCO dual pass heat exchanger. Stock intercooler pump for now. I am going to upgrade to probably the EB40. Super good pump, a little more volume, but that's going to be down the road. Make a video of that. I do want to get rid of these hard lines as well and do really nice braided lines. Also do a video of that later on. But so far we haven't had any cooling problems. Our IATs have never gone over 140, which is really good for the aggressive pulley combo we have. So works pretty good. I think that's about it for that. For brakes, I'm running EBC dimpled and slotted rotors with yellow stuff pads in the front. And in the back we have Power Stop drilled and slotted with EBC pads as well. Highly recommended mod, and probably the first mod you should ever do to these trucks, long bars. We have Stifler's long bars, and it really helps prevent axle wrap and any problems you might create. Launching without bars, your drive shaft is not gonna like it, and it's just a ticking time bomb. So highly recommend some kind of long bars. I went with Stifler's, super quality product. Competition Engineering drive shaft safety loop. Safety first, guys, make sure you get those. Interior's pretty much bone stock. The only thing I did is put this gauge pillar setup, and that's my fail-safe wideband and boost combo. Super cool gauge, does both wideband and boost. And then I have my SCT gauge over there that I put my temperature readout so I can keep an eye on everything. But that's pretty much it for the interior, guys. Basically bone stock. That's probably going to change coming soon. Of course, I need some love on this front bumper. It's always been something I've been known for, is my Hello Kitty bumper. So that's going to get some love soon. Headlights, by the way, if you need some headlights, Tim Duckett at High Voltage Retros. Super cool guy, quality job. I love these headlights. So hit him up for your headlight needs. And I think that's about it, guys. This is about where we stand now. If I forgot anything, I'll put it in the comments, but I think that about covers it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you drop a thumbs up on it. Leave a comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, if I missed anything like that, make sure you leave a comment and interact with the video. And definitely stay tuned, guys. A lot coming. Super stoked about the truck running though. couldn't be more excited. I've really been wanting to make this video for quite some time, but I'm sure you could tell I had the sniffles a little bit during the video. Just got over being sick, along with some other things that have been coming up. So enough slacking. Video's going up, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So like, comment if you haven't already. Also subscribe to follow all the content to come. We'll see y'all next time.